Do you love French toast but hate the time and effort of making it one slice at a time? This sourdough French toast casserole bakes all at once, giving you gorgeous crispy edges and a custardy center. It is absolutely perfect for lazy mornings or holiday get-togethers. For this casserole, I use my soft sourdough bread recipe. The tangy flavor balances the sweetness, plus the airy texture soaks up the custard beautifully, helping to create the soft center and the crispy top. Once you've cubed your bread, it's important to butter your casserole pan, not only for the extra flavor, but also to ensure the pieces release easily. This video shows a half batch portion, but within the recipe post I shared the amounts for both a smaller and larger batch. Once your pan is prepared with the cubed bread, warm the milk with the butter just until the butter melts and then let it cool slightly. While the milk is cooling, beat together the eggs, sugar, extract, cinnamon, and salt. One of the easiest ways to personalize the flavor of your casserole is choosing different types of extracts. If you love the flavor of marzipan, then use almond extract. For a classic flavor, use vanilla or use a fruity extract like banana that will mimic the flavor of banana bread, or coconut for a tropical flair. Once the milk is cooled slightly, whisk it into the egg mixture. As you can see, I almost forgot to add the cinnamon while filming this recipe. At this point, sprinkle in either fresh or frozen berries evenly over the bread cubes. This is another opportunity to really personalize your casserole by using either blueberries, cherries, blackberries, or any berry of choice. Now pour the custard evenly over the bread and bake uncovered for 45 minutes or until the top is golden brown and the custard is set. Serve this warm and top with either powdered sugar, maple syrup, or whipped cream. For more recipes like this and for weekly inspiration, make sure to head on over to thefedupfoodie.com and sign up for my newsletter where I share recipes and tips in helping to make cooking from scratch approachable.